It's your boy, yeah. What is going on, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West in the building, baby. I'm in the vlogging room. We are in the vlogging room. I'm coming to you live from the vlogging room, man. We got a really amazing video planned for today. But before we get this started, I want to go ahead and give you this right here. This I seen my cousin do this in Vegas when I went to Vegas. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, yep. All right, that right there is like, I think it's a Zen thing, positive stuff. Give out the good vibes, because we're gonna need it for this video. So straight up, first off the rip, American Muscle, they failed me. They failed me, and honestly, I would tell you that I'm a little hurt. You know what I mean? You know how you watch or you watch a video on how to do something? Well, like, go ahead, run my commercial, and then we're gonna come back. Today's lovely commercial brought to you by Mr. 20 West. Brought to you by the very Amazon. Wait, it's not Amazon. Oh, Arizona. The best herbal tonic you can get on the market, baby. For just $1 whole, you can have a whole can of energy. That's right, Arizona Herbal Energy Tea. Hi, okay. Mr. 20 West. We back. So the thing about it is, American Muscle, they have, like, this is not putting American Muscle down, but realistically, when you watch a video on how to do things, and they tell you in the video, like, oh my god, it's so easy, you be like, oh bruh, this is like really realistically easy. Like, I can do that. If Rachel and the other guy can do it, why can't I? So the change out oh yeah, for people who don't know what this video is, it's changing out the grill on a Mustang 2019 EcoBoost Mustang. I'm not sure if the other years is the same way. I just know this 2019 taking the grill off is just an ordeal, and the fact that American Muscle gave this whole job 2 wrenches, just 2. It kind of made me feel some type of way. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the video, and every now and then I might stop it and join in, and then we can talk about what just happened. Cause, bruh, this was this whole different thing, bruh. Alright, what is up, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West in the building. I just got here to the location, Lynn Marcus Customs. Shout out Lynn, you know what I'm saying? When Marcus get here, you know what I mean? I do a walk around or whatever. He just stepped out to go get some parts real quick. So today we are working on T's 2018 Mustang EcoBoost. We're gonna put the grill on real quick. I got my food back there with the book bag and all this stuff. I brought my tools with me. So I'm gonna try to breeze through this real quick, man. Yeah, T hit something on the expressway. Let me show you. I'll show you. This is why we got to change out the grill or whatever, because T lost this thing on the expressway, bro. So it's a whole lot of getting that right. This shouldn't take long, but I guess we'll find out. With me, nothing is ever easy for me, so yeah. Let's see. This one go here, and then this one go here. Remember that. All right. All right. So this is up underneath the hood. I just boom, bam, boom, bam. Then this big old EcoBoost motor, and then
you know, normally how you can see the turbo, it ain't working out like that. Alright, so, alright, I thought I had all the tools I needed, but of course, that's why I'm glad I did it here. I needed some smaller sockets to fit, come up underneath the car with me, y'all, to fit this small thing right there. I think it's about 5 millimeters. I got the whole top off right there. So I found this thing in there. I think this should be helpful. This extended socket. So all right, I'll be right back. So this is a little small boat that's underneath the car. So I'm finding ways to keep up with this stuff. I'm trying my best not to misplace or put anything somewhere wrong. So I gotta find a little package that can hold all of it. Here we go, right here. See that? That's why you gotta keep something in your car. An old pretzel bag. The best thing in the world to hold up all these screws, baby. All right. Let's get it popping, y'all. All right, now, I got this part off. Wasn't that hard to get it off. It was mostly like slide off type of deal. Make sure I put that back where that was, just like that. Same thing with these. Put them all back where they was, so when I put them back together, it's not gonna be that bad. All of these are screws and bolts, and then in the back was freaking these right here were freaking what's them things called? Pin things. They push things. See if I can find one for you. These things was in there. So, all right, now we move on to the next step, which is what's the next step? Hold on. Okay. Next step is going behind the bumper and doing the 2 bolts to get them off, and then yeah. When I first started taking the skid plate off, I'm gonna tell you something. Putting the skid plate back on by yourself is so hard, and doing the skid plate, taking it off, period, it's got like 24, maybe 34 bolts. It's probably like 24 up underneath it. So when I'm down there doing it, I literally was like, bruh, I think I bit off more than I could chew this time. I mean, you know, I did a skid plate underneath a Maserati, and it wasn't nearly as hard as this, and that skid plate was put on by zip ties, bro. Zip ties. I had to get scissors into positions. I don't even know how I got down there and did it, and snip and cut this and cut that. But yeah, I think American Muscle did a good job of saying like, yeah, you got a few bolts here, but in the back in the video he showed you where the push pins. Mind you, I hate push pins because push pins break. Push pins are cheap to replace, but like, dang dog, push pins, really push? I'm just gonna push the pin. Let's go back. Let's get back to the video. All right, I had a little lunch break. Let me show y'all my little lunch break I had, so y'all can really see it. All right, bro. I got my fruit. Got my Gatorade wheat protein bars. Got my Arizona tea, of course. Woo! Woo! Jesus, that's good. And here's the bumper. Got the bumper off completely. Held on by this little thing right here. For I don't know what y'all was smoking, but when y'all put this assembly together, this shouldn't even been part of it, bruh. Or this should have just been by itself, so you could just release the whole thing with the skid plate, just come down completely. Cause that was a lot of work trying to get that down, like trying to get that completely off. It's ridiculous. But all right, I gotta set this back up. I gotta take this grill out. Let's see what the grill look like. How you take it out? 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 Oh, okay. So they said you gotta take this out first, and then you'll be able to take that out. So, all right, I'll be back in a second. All right. So here we are behind the grill, and I gotta get these things off, which I have absolutely no clue on how to do that. I'm about to figure out though. Almost done, I think. I gotta put it all back together. Jesus. All right, let's get it popping. All right, so as you can see, I got all of that out. Got the grill over here. So what happened was something on the expressway came and knocked your horse, went straight through your horse, and then that was it. Like, yeah, it happened fast. All right, so now it's time to get that new thing out. Time to get that new thing out. Whip out. Don't worry though, your boy came prepared, so. Gotta get it out the car without spilling the jack. With the honeycomb inserts. I'm about to put this on, boy. Whew. Jesus. Slide this bad boy in here. Don't worry, I'm about to get y'all some height. Y'all can see the boy. I'll be doing my thing. I want you to feel me here. Cause I ain't got no help. It's just me. I told Lil Barkus I got this, so I gotta do this by myself. Give me a second so I can figure this out.
All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Man, this bumper is so hard, bro. Like, legitly, it's hard. My God.